Citizens of Kuligaon under Borjan constituency applauds Lunsing Teron, executive member in charge Sericulture of Kuligaon Autonomous Council, for constructing a warehouse for sericulture equipped with staff's quarter at DDS roadside Sericulture Lakhijan ECC on 21st November. According to reports, 45 years after the warehouse of sericulture built in 1997 to 1998 at Kuligaon, Sericulture Department of Kuligaon Autonomous Council took the initiative to renovate and revive the warehouse in 2022. Earlier, due to the negligence from the authority, the warehouse was abandoned. Hence, staff quarters, ring wall, boundary walls, gates and mulberry trees were dismantled. Therefore, 4 employees of Sericulture office at Kuligaon had to tackle the wave of consequences while performing their duties. Hence, Lunsing Teron, newly elected EM in charge of Sericulture, paying heed onto this matter, inspected the site and assured to provide new warehouse equipped with staff's quarter for the employees. As per his assurance, the construction of Sericulture warehouse, staff quarters, ring walls and proper boundary walls of the office had begun recently. The villagers of Kuligaon applauds Lunsing Teron, executive member in charge Sericulture of Kuligaon Autonomous Council, for renovating and constructing a warehouse for sericulture equipped with staff's quarters. Teron's report from Bukajan for Kuligaon Long Life.